This is the Lumberjack song by Monty Python. It was written by Michael Palin, Terry Jones, and Fred Tomlinson, and recorded in 1975. I'm capoed up on the 2nd fret, so everything will be relative to the 2nd fret. I do it in the key of D. So if I say I'm playing a D, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly an E. Most of the time I'm using an alternating bass to keep the beat. The first chord's a D. And then you go into this 3-chord change where you have the open B note on the 2nd string as your melody note for all 3 chords. It's a G, it's a B7th, and it's an E minor. And this B7th is just like a C7th, except you move everything down 1. So it's like this. And you're playing the melody note on your 2nd string. So you're not playing the 1st or the 6th there. So it looks like this. Often when I'm playing the melody notes, I'm playing 2 strings. The melody note is the highest treble note, and then the note below it. So it's and then it goes to an A7th chord with your melody on the C sharp on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and a D playing the 2nd string is your melody, and a G playing the 2nd string is your melody open, and back to the D playing your 2nd string is your melody. So the whole first part looks like this. And then you repeat it. And then you go to the 2nd section. And the 2nd section is a D, and then a G, playing the 2nd string open, B is your melody, and then to a E minor chord playing the 1st string open as your melody. And then you hit the D note, which is the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and go to your A7th, playing the 2nd string as your melody. And then back to the D. So the first part of the 2nd section is D, G, E minor, A7, D. Then you hit the single A note and go back to the D chord, and then go to a G chord with an open E, and then you go to an A chord playing the 2nd string and then the 3rd string, and then the 1st string on the 2nd fret open, back to the D. So the 2nd part of this 2nd section is a D, G, actually a G6, and then an A, and then back to the D. Peace.